Hi, my name is Blake, and I use they, them pronouns, and I am here to help you answer this question. You wanted to find a way to get the antiderivative of this function over here, which is sine of x all over cosine x plus sine x. This is one where you're going to have to do some really clever kind of algebra stuff. Specifically, what you're going to have to do is rewrite the sine of x as 1/2 of cosine x plus sine x minus 1/2 times cosine x minus sine of x. And you'll see where we came up with this in just a second. But what you will notice is that if we were to simplify this expression on the right, we'd have 1/2 cosine x plus 1/2 sine x minus 1/2 cosine x plus 1/2 sine x. So the expression on the right simplifies the expression on the left. So we can just plug this in directly, and our integral actually looks like 1/2 times cosine x plus sine x minus 1/2 cosine x minus sine x all over cosine x plus sine x dx. So what we can do now is we can split this fraction up and split the integral up, which is what we're going to do. So if we split the integral up, we get 1/2 of the integral of cosine x plus sine x all over cosine x plus sine x dx minus 1/2 times the integral of cosine x minus sine x all over cosine x plus sine x dx. Okay, so what we notice here is that on the first integral, the cosine x plus sine x on the top and bottom will cancel out. And so this first part, the integral of this is just, because this is a 1 over here after the cancellation, so the integral of this first part would just be 1/2 x. And then we still have the second integral to take care of, minus 1/2 of the second integral, which is cosine x minus sine x all over cosine x plus sine x with a dx. Okay, so let's just zoom in on this integral over here. Cosine x minus sine x over cosine x plus sine x dx. Now, if you notice, if you take the derivative of the bottom of this fraction, we'll get the derivative of cosine is negative sine, and the derivative of sine is positive cosine, and that's exactly what we have on the top. So we can make a u substitution here, and we can let u equal to cosine x plus sine x, because du will be equal to negative sine x plus cosine x dx, which of course we can rewrite to look exactly like the numerator of our fraction, cosine x minus sine x dx. So if we take this into the u world, we'll get 1 over u du, right? So all I did was replace cosine x plus sine x with u, and then cosine x minus sine x with the du, and then of course this is the integral of this is just natural log of the absolute value of u. And our u was originally cosine x plus sine x. This is natural log of cosine x plus sine x. I'm not going to worry about the plus c for now. What I'm going to do is I'll take this whole entire integral we had over here, and this is going to be 1/2 x minus 1/2, and then we figured out this second part was the natural log of absolute value cosine x plus sine x. And then now I can add our plus c at the end. Definitely don't forget your plus c at the end. And this is the answer, that's another way to do this integral. Hope that helps. Thanks so much.